Hey, today I have the pleasure to host Axel. Hi, Axel.
Hey Youssef, how you doing? Thanks for having me. I'm Axel, solution architect working at Databricks.
And today we're together to show you the perks of using request access. But first, let's see why uh, the browse permission can be very important.
So Youssef, you have a nice data set. You told me that was interesting. It's in Youssef Unity Catalog, right? But I cannot see it.
Yeah, and that's normal because whenever you create a catalog, by default, it's secured, which means no one can query it unless the owner grant permission to a group of people. And that's why browse permission can be very interesting. Rather than limiting users from seeing the catalog, what you can do is grant them the browse permission, which allows them to view all the schemas, the tables, and the lineage, and the metadata as well. But they won't have the permission to query this data. And this will help them find the right asset. And then they can request the access to the owner of the data. Now that I have granted the permission to Axel, if he refreshes the data, he will be able to find my catalog.
All right, so I'm searching it. I can see it here. It's grayed out. So let's click on it. I see your catalog and I see some tables in it. Let's go into the demo schema. All right, I see the Titanic. All right, I can see all the metadata. This is really interesting to me, but hey, I cannot see the data set. All right. So let me ask Yusuf for access. So I'm going to request on Titanic, select access. Please grant me access to this data set. I'll sign it so you will receive my request.
Once Axel did request the permission, I received an email. You can see the requester, Axel Richier. That's the catalog, the schema, and the table. The permission is select, and then I can just click on it. It will take me straight to the platform. And then I have two options, either add Axel to a group which has already access to this catalog, or I can just grant the privilege to the principal. So as you can see, those are the permissions he requested, the select, and it will automatically grant him the permission to use the catalog and use the schema. So I can confirm, and now immediately Axel can now start querying the data.
So I can get onto my catalog, and now sample data is available. And yes, I can see the data and query it. Yeah, really easy, simple process, and for discovering the data and asking for it.
Exactly. And you can think about a data owner owning the privileges, and he or she can receive the notifications either by Slack, by email, or webhook. And by this, you can let everyone see the data that you have within your catalog. But of course, limit the access to only the people who need this data, and you can control who has access. And that's the beauty of using request access. Thank you, Axel, for being here today. It was a real
Thank you,
pleasure.
Youssef.
See you soon.
See you soon.